Christmas songs! Everybody loves Christmas music, and if you don't love Christmas music, shame on you. Today we're going to be looking at how to play a really simple Christmas song. We use mostly 2 chords with 1 extra one. So easy to play. And the beautiful thing about how this lesson is set up is that if you want to sight read, I've created really simple sheet music for you to use. And I've also put the chords on the sheet music. So if you don't want to learn how to read the notes here, you can simply play the chords, which will allow you to sing along as you play so your whole family and all your friends can sing this awesome Christmas song together. So to begin, we're in the key of C. We're going to be using C chord and G chord, and we're going to throw an F chord in there just to kind of keep you on your toes. So we've got my 5 finger on high C. Then we're going to play B, A, G, F, and then my 3rd finger flies over to E, D, C. That's a descending C scale. So the beginning of the song is so simple to play. If you can play C scale, you can play the song. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Then we're going to move up a 5th to G. I'm going to use my 4 finger here. A. Then I'm going to kind of pop my hand up. I'm going to put my 3rd finger on A again. A, B, B, C. And then we're going to work on a descending pattern here. We're going to go C, C, B, A, G, G, F, E. And notice how I ran out of fingers, so I just kind of took my 2 finger and went over. And then again, C, C, B, A, G, G, F, E, E, bunch of E's, E, F, G, and then F, E, D, 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 E, F, E, D, C, and then we're gonna reach up all the way the octave to the high C, A, G, F, E, F, E, D, C. That's the melody for Joy to the World. So my left-hand accompaniment is really, really simple. I put this together in the most simple way that I could so that a total beginner could play it, and I'm going to give you some tips at the end of this video for how to embellish and add to what's here so that you can make it sound really fancy. So I'm going to start on C, 4 beats, it's a whole note, another C, then I've got a G, down a whole octave to a low G, and then C. Now, I'm going to take my 5 finger and place it on F, step up to G, and then C. Now we've got a bunch of C's just using half notes here. Half note, half note, half note, half note, half note, half note. So easy. Anybody can do this. 2 more half notes. And then the rhythm increases. Now I've got quarters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, down to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to C. 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4. And then G, low G, and C. So that's how you'd play it hands separately. To put it together, it sounds like this. So that's Joy to the World, using the sheet music, really, really simple. You can practice this, put it into your practice routine so that you can learn something fun to play for Christmas. If you want to jazz this up a little bit and make it a little bit more challenging, add some excitement and interest to it, you can add in some chords. So if you're good at chording, if you've played chords before, you'll know that this is an inversion of a C chord. So I'm just going to add in some of the chord notes as I go through the melody. Watch this. Simple as that. So all I did was add some of the notes in of the chord that I was playing, and the secret to making this work is to keep the melody note as the top note of your chord, because the highest note of your chord is what your ear will hear. So if I'm going to play this, I want to make sure that my chord for C falls underneath the melody. So if this is my melody note, I'm going to put my chord here. That's how you can create a chorded sound and still maintain the integrity of the melody of your song. Other things you can do are make your left hand a little bit more fancy. You can add in arpeggios, you can add chords in. You might want to play a C chord. Octaves, arpeggios. So there's a lot of things that you can add in to kind of create a little bit extra to make this your own. You can also just use the chord names on the top of your sheet and sing along, while your friends and family sing along. So I'm going to play this one more time using the sheet music so you can play along with me if you like. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas and that you enjoy practicing the song.